Welcome to Tough Dog's training program, where you're going to learn everything you need to know about suspension and how we at Tough Dog have designed our product to best suit the needs of four-wheel drivers right around the world. In this module, we're talking about our new range of AirAssist airbag products. Airbags are essentially very small, very high pressure and very tough balloons. Our Tough Dog AirAssist bags are made up of polyurethane or rubber, depending on the type of airbag, and they're made to withstand incredible weight, pressure and the forces exerted upon them when your vehicle is heavily loaded. Our systems assist your existing conventional springs by increasing the spring rate through air pressure in the bag assembly. The more pressure there is in the bag, the more effective spring rate there is available to carry the load. The Coil insert bags are able to operate from 5 psi to 60 psi, and the Bellows kits are able to work up to a huge 100 psi. Effectively, this means that you can adjust the ride height and suspension characteristics to suit simply by increasing or decreasing the pressure in your AirAssist Bellows or Coil insert bags. Almost all of our systems are designed with drill-free fitment techniques, meaning you're able to fit them quickly and without disturbing the original chassis. There is a common misconception that airbag suspension systems can cause damage to the chassis of the vehicle because of the force being loaded into a specific point, and this is not true. While there is a potential to damage your vehicle, this comes as a result of loading the vehicle above and beyond the original vehicle load ratings. The AirAssist bags are mounted in a location where they're replacing the original bump stop in the suspension, which means that the load on the chassis is being exerted onto a specific point that has been reinforced to handle that impact. Provided that you don't exceed the manufacturer's limits, AirAssist bags can help level out your car consistently and reliably.